That's power of devotion. And when you do that seva, believe me, it's not that you worship Hanuman ji आपके भीतर बैठ जाते हैं. राम काज करिवे को आतुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनिवे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. It's not amazing? Look at these beautiful lines. When you chant, see the meanings of those beautiful lines. The Ram Lakhan Sita Man Vasiya, Prabhu Charitra Sunive ko Rasiya. After doing all this seva, having these many powers, but Prabhu Charitra, when there was a satsang, always Hanumanji yatra yatra Raghunath Kirtanam, tatra tatra, हाथ जोड़ के रघुनाथ जी, भाव ऐसा, हाथ में हो राम, मुख में हो राम नाम, राम सेवा हाथ में, मुंह से राम नाम जप कर रहे हैं लेकिन हाथ में राम का काम, राम की सेवा. ठीक यही भाव जब कथा हो तो हनुमान जी कथा का श्रवण करें, राम चरित्र को सुने. प्रभु चरित्र सुनिवे को रसिया. Because why Prabhu Charitra Sunive ko Rasiya? Why he is all the time intoxicated listening to the divine chantings of the divine. I'm sorry, I have to speak in Hindi sometime because I want to keep them also connected. Our mothers, our ladies who are sitting here, the old ones, elder ones. That's why I come in between Hindi, little bit here and there, just to maintain the connection with them. So, but I will come back to in English also, say same thing in English. So, Prabhu Charitra Sunive ko Rasiya. Why Charitra Sunive ko Rasiya? That he is intoxicated all the time listening to the divine glories of the Lord. Even being Hanumanji, being incarnation, he himself also, when there was a satsang, he was just closed eyes sitting, and he was the first one to sit and he was the last one to go in the satsang. That much devotion to listening to the glories of the Lord. Why? Why listening to the glories of the Lord? It shapes your life. When you listen to the glory of the Lord, then it increases your faith. It increases your faith. And with that faith, devotion increases, love increases, and with that love, you see the divine in everyone, and in you, bhav of seva, the feeling of service increases, and that feeling of service, what brings to you? Look at that, where it started and where you reach. That prayer, that devotion took you where? They said, fruit of the service is peace. When you serve others, when you share with others, when you love others with selfless service like Hanumanji, Ram Kaj Karive ko Atur, always ready to do seva, always ready to serve others. They said, then what happens? Fruit of the service is peace, pause, na? Pause and pause. Fruit of the service is that you achieve shanti. And ultimate goal is to receive what? No matter what you do, how much you work, end of the day what you want to do? Want to reach home, sweet home. Why home? Because you feel cozy. You feel set. You feel peace there. Even in that one corner, home, sweet home, you can go for shopping for whole day. But end of the day, what you want to do? You don't want to be in that shopping center, you want to go to sleep there. You want to go back home. And that service takes you to home. That prayer leads you to faith. That faith leads you to love. The love leads you to devotion. And the devotion leads you to service. And the service leads you to peace. Ultimately, you achieve that goal, peace. लेकिन कब? बोले क्यों? राम चरित्र सुनवे को आतुर क्यों? बोले कि श्रवणम. 9 प्रकार की भक्ति. The 9 types of bhakti has 9 kinds. Shravanam. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Padasevanam. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Padasevanam. Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam. अर्चनम वंदनम दास्यम सख्यम आत्मनिवेदनम। मैं तो कहता हूं 9 नहीं, एक भी भक्ति आ जाए ना। श्रवणम, केवल सुने, सुनते 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 ही भक्ति जागृत हो जाएगी। कीर्तनम, सुनने में मन ना लगे, कई लोगों को तो सुनने में नींद आ जाती है। मैं तो कहता हूं जिनको नींद ना आती हो कथा में चले जाओ, थोड़ी देर में ही नो टैबलेट्स एंड यू विल गो टू स्लीप। रियली, आई हैव सीन पीपल सिटिंग इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द कथा and when the katha starts for a few minutes they are okay and then and people who don't know how to sleep go to kathas, immediately you will go to sleep. Go to meditation for a few minutes, you will be alert, and after that you will go into sound meditation, gone. And it's happened. तो श्रवणम ना हो तो बोले कीर्तनम। गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, राधा रमण हरि गोविंद 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 बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोपाल बोलो, गोपाल बोलो, गोपाल। कीर्तनम, गुरु नानक देव जी को देखिए, कीर्तन करते करते ही पा लिया। मीरा को देख लीजिए, नरसी को देख लीजिए, सूरदास को देख लीजिए, जिन्होंने पाया कीर्तन करते करते पाया। इवन नारद जी ने, बिकॉज नारद जी वेर एवर ही गोज टेक्स हिज वीणा, नारायण 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 करते करते अपना गाते बजाते, भजमन नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, स्वामी नारायण नारायण नारायण, ही नारायण लक्ष्मी नारायण नारायण नारायण, लक्ष्मी नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण नारायण, सत्य नारायण भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण। कीर्तनम। नारद जी से, नारद जी ने पूछा भगवान को, नारद जी asked, Lord, where do you live? What is your address? There are so many temples, so many churches, so many synagogues, so many gurdwaras. I don't know where to. Sometimes I get confused. And even I go to the temple, see so many of you. I don't know which one to follow. What is your true address and what is your true form? Can you tell me where do you reside? Narad ji is asking to the Lord. Where do you reside? And some say you are living in the heaven. Some say you live only in the mountains, in the caves, the yogis, all the swamis go there, live their family life, live their word, and they go to live in the mountain. Where do you live? And I have seen people sometimes whole night they say keep chanting, keep chanting. Some are performing the yagna, some are performing the meditation, some are performing the austerities, some observe fast to achieve you. Where do you reside? What is?
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.